Hey guys, Sean here at K2 Trades. Today I'm going to be going over the trade we took on Friday, May 31st, 2019. On this day we took a sell position for the US dollar versus Japanese yen for a win, and we closed out the trading day with a gain of 20 pips. Not bad. So let's pull this up on the chart so I can show you guys exactly how it played out. So I told you guys to take this trade at, let's see, on May 31st at 6:39 a.m. So we'll place on the chart, we'll place our position at about like 6:30 since we're trading on the 30-minute candle. I probably spotted around that time. So let's see, 6:30 right here. And then let's hit the replay right there. Alright guys, so first things first, let's determine the trend. So looking at the 30-minute, 1 hour, 2 hour, and 4 hour, prices below the cloud on all four charts, and that demonstrates a strong downtrend. And in these circumstances, we'll only be taking sell positions. So let me maximize this, and let me pull up the signal that I sent you guys. So I sent you guys a signal on May 31st at 6:39 a.m. I said to sell the USD versus JPY. Entry point was 108.747. So let's put in a sell position right here. 108.747. Target is set at 108.547. And the stop loss is set at 108.947. Alright guys, so it looks like I told you guys to place this order as a sell stop order since price is above the entry, hasn't triggered it yet. So let's see how it plays out. Next candle, boom, went down. So that's how we got in. So since we had a sell stop order, once price passed the entry point, it would have automatically filled and we would have been in the trade. So let's keep going. Keep going a little bit. We're pretty close to our target. Retraced a little bit, came back down, and boom, there we go, winner. So how long were we in this trade for? We were in this trade for about 2.5 hours. Not bad. So we won pretty quick actually. And let's see the calculations for the winnings. So this was a winner. We made a plus 20 pip gain. And if you're trading one standard lot, that would equal $10 per pip. So 20 pips times $10 equals $200 in profit within 2.5 hours. So that looks like that was the only trade we took for the day. It was Friday, so we don't take any trades on Friday, or if we do, it's just 1 or 2 trades. We try to get in and out pretty quick before market close. And I mean, that was a pretty nice profit for very minimal work, and it went straight to the profit target. So that was a very good trade. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe so you can be notified when you post your next video. Until next time guys, have a good one.